when you say they cannot go in here mining, they cannot pick up, they cannot cut trees down, they cannot go hunting in here anymore.
Or poaching.
And then they also have a little issue about wildlife-human conflicts.
Another of the side effects or the costs of protecting these areas is that the wildlife population increases. And some of this wildlife is in competition or can be in competition with the livelihoods of the people in the villages outside the area.
Yeah.
For example, elephant and lion and leopard and hyenas and buffaloes, the bigger sort of more dangerous animals can become live competitors with the people. And as we protect the wildlife here, for example, the elephant numbers are increasing very fast here, probably as fast as they at all can. As the numbers get bigger, well, the more they go into the villages when they are farming their areas and go and eat the maize or the whatever other crops they might be growing there, or beans or whatever it may be. So wildlife conflict is a big issue, and the villages here now also have more and more cattle and goats and whatever.
Yeah.
So that as the lion and leopard, not so much the leopard, but the lion and, for example, hyena population increases, well, they go and search and spread out, and when they find easy goats or cows to eat in the village, they start doing that.
Yeah.
So then you get this conflict between us trying to protect these animals to get more of them, and the communities who are basically just trying to put food on their table and put their children to school, competing over land right and who should be where and their own livelihood, you know. And some of these animals are not only dangerous to their livelihoods, but also a direct life threat. I mean, if you meet a lion at night or a hyena at night in the village, this animal could actually kill you, or an elephant for that matter in your field will also kill you if you trouble it too much or it troubles you, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah, wildlife conflict is a big issue, and we are trying to do what we can to combat it, work with the wildlife department and the communities to try and teach them how to protect their animals or their livestock and their fields. This is not an easy task, and is going to be a problem for us all for eternity probably, until we figure some AI that can stop animals from going into the fields.
Yeah.
So yeah, wildlife conflict is one of our biggest issues at the moment. We were talking about anti-poaching. The poaching that we have on these private wildlife reserves is so little, it actually doesn't have an effect on the wildlife population.
Yeah.
So poaching is not really a problem. If we stop doing anti-poaching, it would become a problem.
Yeah.
But poaching is not really a problem for us at the moment. Our biggest issue now is an increasing population of wildlife, increasing population of humans, and the conflict that is creating.
Yeah.